All right, y'all. How you doing? Andy McCabe here. This is my house. Welcome to my house. I'm not getting real fancy today, as you can see. But I was watching some YouTube earlier today, and I came across a video from Russell Brand, and it kind of hit me right here. So all day today, I've been thinking I need to say something. I need to put a message out there. So this is me putting a message out there. Any of y'all have been following me for a while have seen this little thing called the Restoration Rebel and the Restoration 2.0 movement. That's been quite a labor of love, and we have been through quite a lot in the last, I'd say, year and a half since we really started. And we're evolving, we're changing, we're going through some growing pains as organizations do. And we're going through some power struggles. There's some jockeying for position happening, which is natural. We started this thing that no one knew what it was. We didn't even know what it was going to become. And now this baby is becoming an adolescent, and we're taking it to the next level. Back to Russell Brand and what he said. He wrote a great book called Revolution. And I got it on Audible so I could listen to him narrate it because I love his accent. One of the points he makes early on in the book is that revolution cannot start from within a system. The system is created for a purpose. The system is there to benefit its creators. And what Russell is talking about in the book is our global system, our global economic system, how things are done. What I talk about and what I'm passionate about is our insurance claim ecosystem. And what we as rebels, and you potential rebels out there, need to understand is the system exists, and the system was designed purposefully. Just like we design and grow our businesses purposefully for our benefit. So if you were in charge of putting together a claim process, you would design it for your purposes to benefit you. And it's natural. There are winners and losers in the current way it's set up. Right? We understand that intuitively in our guts telling us this is wrong. I feel like I'm being taken advantage of. And up until this point, and I'm calling this point right here, right now, up until this point in the Restoration 2.0 movement and the Restoration Rebel movement, we've been fairly aggressive. That's a big point of contention right now inside our group is Andy McCabe's being too aggressive. Belfour told all their employees to unfollow Andy McCabe, right? Which actually had the reverse effect of my follower count has gone up 200 people in the last 4 days. Traffic to the websites has doubled in the last week. Applications for membership of the Restoration Rebel Facebook page has exponentially grown since that memo was sent out, but that's not why I'm making this video. We've been aggressive, and that's going to change. And if you go look Russell Brand up, look up Revolution, the book, you're going to see on the cover it says Revolution. But if you look closely, there's a word right in the middle, L-O-V-E. You see, we can't change these systems from these systems are not going to change from the inside. These systems are going to change as a reaction to outside forces. And where we have the benefit is we are the outside forces. We do outnumber them. We are the 90% versus the 10% or the 1%. We can start a revolution and we can win with love. Another one of my favorite people in the world, Gary Vaynerchuk, says, honey empire. We are not going to change anything with this. We're going to change everything with this. So first, it's a change of heart. Then it's a change of mind. We know our intentions are pure. We know our mindset. We're working on our mindsets collectively, but our mindset is right. And where we're going to get allies and bring people together is through understanding and love. You know, I'm not talking squishy love. I'm talking about understanding, empathy, just genuinely putting yourself in somebody else's shoes. So when I call somebody out publicly on the interwebs, that's not a loving move on my part. That's an angry, reactionary move from me. And it actually says more about me than it does about who I'm calling out, right? We're not going to win that way. We're going to win right here. We're going to get our hearts right. We're going to get our minds right. And then we're going to show people a better way of doing business, a better way of handling claims, a better way of taking care of customers and insureds. Because there is a better way. There doesn't have to be losers. We can all be winners. We can all empathize with the other side. We can all accomplish the goals that we have together. That's probably it for now. I obviously work from home, right? You're lucky I'm wearing pants, frankly. I hope you're all doing well. The Restoration Rebels and the Restoration 2.0 movement has a summit coming up on May 4th in Nashville, Tennessee. Tickets are still available. Sponsorships are still available. We'd love to have you. We'd love to see you. I'd like to continue the conversation. Take care.